Module 3. Determination of nitrogen in the soil. What happens when there is a lot of nitrogen in the soil? Saturating the soil with a lot of nitrogen does not improve plant growth. Excess nitrogen causes rapid growth of foliage, so the growth of other plants can be affected. Mixtures with high nitrogen content increase the mineral salts of the soil so that the growing leaves can burn. The additional nitrogen is filtered into the soil and causes groundwater pollution. You can lose money. Nitrogen requirements vary depending on cultivation and production. Nitrogen needs depend on the variety of the species, the crop, and the potential yield. Throughout the growing cycle, the needs are different. In winter cereals, nitrogen demand is more important in the stage of development of the stem, while in fruit crops the needs are maximum during the stage of flowering and ripening of the fruits. Soil analysis is a fundamental tool for determining the soil potential in nitrogens of a locality, region or plot. The information from the soil analysis should be interpreted to plan for an improvement in the fertility of the plots. Field trials establish relationships between each variable that estimates the availability of a nutrient and the response of a crop to the addition of a nutrient. It's important to be in an area of high probability of response and at the same time be able to reduce the environmental impact. Some studies show that when the nitrogen dose is reduced by 50% and 75% compared to the 100% dose, the environmental impact produced by nitrous oxides emissions decrease considerably without losing productivity. It's advisable to know the inorganic nitrogen of the soil at the time of planting, as well as the nitrogen that's mineralized during the vegetative season to improve the diagnosis and optimize the dose of fertilizer to be applied. Soil assessments are necessary to develop fertilization strategies that allow the efficient use of nitrogen and minimize environmental risks. Successful sampling, soil analysis, and correct interpretation are required to achieve benefits.
The LIFE Libernitrate project has received funding from the LIFE program of the European Union.